Hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Today we are outside harvesting the last of our crops. We have some jalapenos out here, and this is our episode of harvesting with hubby. And he strung up and kept these peppers alive. So it's September. It's the first week in September. So I think this may be the last. We got a great harvest from these plants here. All right. So we're in work clothes. We're in work mode. It's a beautiful day out. It's about 75 degrees with a nice breeze. You always tell me no. It's what we have so far. Feels good out here, guys. What's that dance they doing now when they go like this? We have a few more. There's some tiny ones that are coming up. So this is our harvest of the day. Yay, thank you, hubby. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
Okay, so this is our September garden walkthrough, and I've already started with the mums. Got some mums here, and these vincas are doing well out here. They love it. They're going to go in a pot soon. Then I got some other mums that I lined the greenhouse with so that it'll hold it down and also have some decorative properties. So we have an orange mum here. I have some other plants out here. They're just thriving out here. And so I wanted something that'll hold down the greenhouse and then, and be pretty out here. Okay. And the pumpkin plants were doing so well, and then they started getting a disease. So got to cut them down. And so hubby's cutting that down. So at least I'm going to end up using these pots, and I'll put the vincas in there. And I'll probably will put these mums in there. So we'll just always have something seasonal blooming. And we just keep the front yard just manicured and, just perennials out there. Okay, so here's inside. Okay, so we're in the greenhouse here. This is our September walkthrough. House plants are still in here. I think the next couple of weeks I'll start, preparing them to come inside. And then here are my, my house plants here. I started some collard green, like 6 collard greens from seed. This is the only one that survived. So here are my crotons. Here is my monstera. Monster's doing well. My bros are doing well. My bromeliads, bros are doing well. Duncane is doing okay. There's a little something going on here. Yeah, they're still he's still producing new leaves here. Okay. So yeah, everything's looking pretty. They love it out here, man. Okay, strawberries are gone, so I'm just gonna have to use the pots. So yeah, so that's all. That's what it's looking like in September. Maybe next week I'll start getting these together. All right, and my tropical plant right here, she's still being pretty. She's still doing her thing. Growing all up. Might just let her go all the way around. Well, it's going to get cold soon. Might start guiding her to frame the greenhouse. All right, so what I'm going to do, my next video, I'm going to line this area with some of these pots, and I'm going to put my annual plants in there. All right, blow that out. I vacuumed I'm going to do a patio refresh, and I vacuumed the patio and got everything positioned for a nice fall patio. All right, guys, so let me show you. This is our eggplant plant. It's doing very well. So that's what's going on. September 2024 in the garden. Okay, family, thank you so much for tuning in today and following me around for our September garden tour. Fall is in the air, and I'm loving it. It's so fresh and refreshing out here. Thank you for all of your support. I have a lot of new subscribers. This month, due to my emergency preparedness content, I have several more videos surrounding emergency preparedness. So I would love for you to take a look at those when those launch. And if you subscribe, hit that bell notification, you will be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.